Good morning and welcome back to Beauty Foods 101. Today I needed a little bit of a pick-me-up, so I'm going to put strawberry and cacao, which is raw cocoa powder, and make a beautiful sweetheart shake. Let's start by putting in about 8 or 9 cubes of ice and about a cup of any kind of plant milk you like. I'm going to use 5 or 6 strawberries. I'm leaving the greens on the top because chlorophyll is great for you. I'm also adding in 2 sparse tablespoons of cacao powder and about a tablespoon of maple syrup. And while we make this, let's go ahead and learn 5 beauty benefits of the sweetheart shake.